Hello, welcome. This is Kim Petran. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your account on Pocket Option. So first of all, search for Pocket Option. Then to bring you to their website. This is how it looks, exactly like this. Okay. Then you can click on Trade Now or on this icon on the top right once you've signed up already. Okay. So now it will bring you to the home page. Now, just like you all know, this is how the home page look already. Okay, so we're going to be clicking on this here. This at the left hand side, this looks like an image. So we're going to click on profile. You also click on profile here. Then once you've done that, it's take you to where you fill in your options for your age and all. So I filled my name, my first name, my second name, I filled my phone number. That's all you need to do. Okay, so what you need again is your national ID card, a means of verification, either your voter's card, your international passport. You understand? So first of all, you choose your country. I'm from Nigeria, so I'm choosing Nigeria. Then confirm. Then you have to take a picture of the front and back side of your plastic ID card. It must be plastic so you can show well. Okay, so here are the options you can choose from: ID card, passport, residence permit, or driver's license. So I'm choosing ID card. Click on next. So we upload the image here. Okay, I've updated my image. It's processing. Okay. 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 Let's give it some time. It's coming up. It's coming up. I've uploaded my front and back side of my ID card. So I'm waiting for it to finish loading. So I'll click on next. After processing, I'll click on next. Okay, follow me, come on. Next. Okay, then you have to scan your face. Just twist your head around in circle. Very simple to do. You just need to focus. 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you should be done with this. Okay, just twist your head in circle, follow the camera, follow the instruction, and you should be good to go. Okay, you move your head up, down, and around. Okay. 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 It's processing. Within 5 minutes, I should be verified. Within 5 minutes, I should be verified. So it's simple as that. Very, very simple. Very, very simple, my friend. Congratulations. Come on, congratulations. You are done. Your verification was successful. You have been verified. You have been verified. Okay. Now what else? What else do you have? Okay. Scroll down. There's nothing else to fill here. Just show you what options they have. All these subscribe. We don't really have any business with that. You can uncheck them if you want. Well, the main thing is we are done. We have verified our account. So let's check out other pages, other parts of this wonderful website. Okay, let's click on quick trading. Well, we don't have any money here yet. I haven't funded this account. Okay, so you see different currency pairs. You can set your time limit, how much you want to use for the trade, and all that. Okay. Now this is my demo account just for practicing and all that shit. But this is a demo account. You can just choose any amount you want here, then place an order. You can either buy or sell. We all know it's not about forex market. You either buy or you sell. So it's a two-way market. You're either doing one or the second. Okay, so choose your time, 5 seconds, 5 minutes, whatever you want to choose. Then choose how much you want to stake, how much you want to enter the trade with. Okay, then you can either choose to buy or sell. Here, just click on this to check to set your time. You can choose 1 minute, 5 minutes, 20 minutes. No matter how much you try, there's a lot of options to choose from.